Stop scrolling! This might be the crispiest homemade chicken burger you'll ever make. Let's cook it together. Here are all the fresh ingredients we'll use to make an incredibly crispy, juicy, homemade chicken burger with amazing flavor. The secret to a juicy chicken burger starts with a flavorful buttermilk marinade. Let every piece soak up these delicious seasonings. Now let's make the perfect crispy coating. This seasoned flour mixture gives our chicken burger its irresistible golden crunch. Press the coating firmly onto the chicken. Those crispy flakes will create the perfect golden crunch after frying. Carefully lower the chicken into hot oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry until the coating becomes beautifully golden, crispy, and perfectly cooked. While the chicken finishes frying, let's toast our buttery brioche buns. A perfectly toasted bun adds incredible flavor and keeps the burger from getting soggy. Every great chicken burger needs an amazing sauce. This creamy, tangy, slightly smoky burger sauce brings all the flavors together. Now let's build the ultimate crispy chicken burger. Every layer adds flavor, freshness, and the perfect balance of crunch and juiciness. Look at that perfect chicken burger, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside, with fresh toppings and creamy homemade sauce in every bite. Let's complete our chicken burger meal with crispy golden fries and 2 delicious dipping sauces. This homemade combo is absolutely irresistible. Now that's a restaurant quality crispy chicken burger. Crispy, juicy, fresh, and made completely from scratch. Just look at that amazing cheese pull. Crispy chicken, melted cheddar, fresh vegetables, and creamy homemade sauce make every bite absolutely unforgettable. Want the perfect homemade chicken burger every time? Marinate your chicken well, fry at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, toast your brioche bun, and always use fresh ingredients for the best flavor. What's your favorite burger topping? Bacon, extra cheese, spicy sauce, or something unique? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Crispy Kitchen. Thank you for watching Crispy Kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell icon for more delicious recipes every week. See you in the next video!